Namaste everyone, this is Team Safety Sentinels and Deekshita from PSVB KK Nagar here to brief you all about my project 3D, the Driver Distraction Detector. The focus meets safety, redefining every drive. Every day we hear about accidents caused due to driver's distraction, like looking at phone, feeling sleepy, etc. My project is designed to prevent those moments from turning into tragedies. Let me get you all through a small survey. Over 1.7 lakh people were killed in road accidents in 2023. That translates on to an average of 474 lives lost every day. This is the data shared by Central Government of India and a survey published in Times of India. Till June 2025, 67,933 road accidents have happened. Through this project, I wanted to create awareness regarding how to avoid road accidents and how we can save thousands of lives every day. The solution I propose is a simple but effective distraction detection system built using an Arno, a camera module, and clear visual sound alerts. The camera continuously tracks the driver's face and eye direction to identify moments of inattention like looking away, drowsiness, or microsleep. This project uses a laptop camera which continuously monitors the driver's face and eye direction, and the detection program identifies whether the driver is focused or distracted. Based on this output, comments are sent to the Arduino, which controls the LEDs and the buzzer. When the driver is attentive, the green LED stays on. When the system identifies distraction, the red LED turns on and the buzzer immediately starts beeping. In future, I would turn this project into a fully integrated in-vehicle safety system. Instead of using a laptop camera, I would replace it with compact sensors or an onboard camera placed near the dashboard or rear view mirrors. It can be installed in cars, buses, or trucks, basically in any vehicle with a driver's seat. I would further improve this in future by connecting it with GPS or vehicle braking systems so that the vehicle slows down after getting to know that the driver is distracted. Surakshit Raste, Surakshit Zindagi. Thank you all for hearing me today.